Here's our bloke, stressed the out as usual. I heard Snores is coming to London, all the way from Paris. Seems like the word spread quickly. It's already here, son. He's laughing and smiling, talking about this and that, but none of the lads can understand him. The nervous guy looks baffled. Suddenly, the lad can talk fluent English.